welcome to Angela's Hangout. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. I'm going to make a quick little snack, and I thought I would just share the recipe with you because, oh my gosh, I am kind of a, I guess you would say a grilled cheese connoisseur because I haven't eaten them forever. You can ask my mom this. We would go to a fancy restaurant and I would order a grilled cheese sandwich, whether it was on the menu or not. And I'm telling you, this air fryer right here, this little baby is so amazing. It makes the crunchiest and the most ooziest grilled cheese sandwich ever. So, like I said, I'm a little bit of a connoisseur, so I know what I'm talking about here. So, super easy, super quick, and absolutely delicious. So, thank you so much for hanging out with me at Angela's Hangout, and let's get started. Okay, so I know that making a grilled cheese sandwich really is not that difficult, but I find that using the mayonnaise instead of butter makes a huge difference. Whether you use it on a pan or in the air fryer, it doesn't matter. It's just going to make it taste so much more crunchy. And I like a crunchy grilled cheese, so nothing worse than biting into one and it's like still soft on the inside, in my opinion. So I'm just going to take some medium cheddar cheese. These are the deli slices. You can get them from any store. So I'm just going to take out 2 of those, and then I'm also going to use Colby Jack. I'm using the thin slice on this one for the grilled cheese, and these are kind of a challenge to get out because they're so thinly sliced, but so they kind of tear easily, so kind of have to work around it. Doesn't really matter if it breaks anyway because it's all going to taste the same, so because it's just going to melt. And then so I'm just going to put those in between the 2 cheeses. And that is it. So while we were doing that, I had my air fryer going at 350. I put it on there for about 3-4 minutes. And we're just going to go ahead and pull out the rack and assemble it together. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited for a good grilled cheese sandwich. So exciting. So anyway, I just put it in there, and I had the timer set for 350 while we were preheating. I originally put it in for 7 minutes, and I flipped it, checked it at about 5 minutes, and it wasn't quite done yet, so I flipped it over, put it in for another 5 minutes, so it was a total of 8 minutes. So by the time it was completely done, so 8 minutes total on both sides. Is so crunchy, and look at the coloring. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half, and as you can see, there's the stringies that are hanging out, and you can see all the cheese. Oh my goodness, it looks absolutely delicious. Let's take a bite. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so good. Do you see all that cheese that's in there? Look it's like dangling. It's so cheesy. It's so crunchy. I'm a bit of a grilled cheese connoisseur, so let me tell you. Do you hear that? So good. I love grilled cheese sandwiches. They are my absolute favorite. It's been my go-to since I was a little kid and love them. I should have thrown in a couple of French fries to go along with them, but I thought, well, you know. Anyway, I've got some other things I'm working on right now, so take a quick little snack break, and I wanted to share this with you because it's so good. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and please give it a thumbs up and follow me along on many other adventures on Angela's Hangout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.